Hello and good morning, everybody. Welcome to our online classes conducted by KBM London. This is the revision class of indirect tax. A very good morning to all of you. I can see already Xavier on screen. Archuran is there. Coco is there. Pyle there. Jordan. Gurjinder is there, hiding somewhere. Ala, Glenda, and Dave. So, if you can hear me clearly, can you please write me back? My voice is clear and you can see me. Thank you. All okay? Yes, all clear. Good morning. Yes, we can. Hello, good morning. Dave's there. Yes, all clear. Fantastic. Thanks for your confirmation. Excuse me. Well, it's our last class today of indirect tax, another module of your AAT Level 3. How many of us here? 11, maybe a few more gonna join. Few students, 1 or 2 students sent me email that they can't attend of traveling and whatever, but I hope they can check out the video later on. Well, it's 10:02. It's our revision class. I think I should go to the screen sharing. So just before that, please get ready with the calculator, with the pen, and with some paper. Obviously, you can have your snacks and drinks along with the class. Yes, online class. So no need to travel, no hassle. You're enjoying the lectures from home. Fantastic, yeah. Although the coronavirus pandemic brought so many bad newses or bad things, but it has brought so many good newses and good things. Good news instead of news, good things like you can spend more time with your family now, isn't it? Family time is precious. Well, and maybe you can give me more answers, more options. What are the good things of pandemic coronavirus? What are the good things? What do you think? We all know the bad thing of what do you call it, coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19 is people are getting affected and dying. Also, the economy is not that circulating as it used to be before March. But there are some good things. Yeah, one thing I feel is like family time. I can give more time to my family. I hope there are more. So we should always look for the reason to live, the good reasons, isn't it? Yeah, motivation. That's highly needed for all of you. All of you are going to be professional accountant, and it is a professional accounting course. It's challenging. It's going to be more challenging in level 2, and then even more challenging when you're going to be a chartered ACCA, CIMA, ICAW, whatever you choose. Okay, with that note, I'm going to go on the screen sharing. If there is any problem, if you cannot hear me anytime or cannot see my writing, any problem, just you can knock here or you can email me, you know. That happened in the very first, at the beginning of our online lectures, somewhere in April we started online lectures, and luckily I said in advance to my students that if any problem happens, email me please. So what happened, our official link was not working, so I had to send the invitation all over again through my personal link. I don't know whether you or any one of you have seen that it happened in one of my classes in management accounting costing. Okay, so that note, I'm going to get started. I know all of you are ready, all of you are enthusiastic. It's very early in the morning, and taking my digital pen and enabling the pen. Yes, it has enabled AAT indirect tax. And the book is examinable until 2020. We have covered all these chapters thoroughly. And the best thing about indirect tax is you will be given with a reference material. That's why I call it open book, isn't it? Open book exam. This is a big 30 pages reference material. You're gonna get all your answers from there. But I have been kept all the time, all the lectures, I have been suggesting you don't rely on the reference material, because you need to go back to the material, check top to bottom, and where is the answer, look for it. It's going to kill your time. It's good to have your knowledge straight here in your brain and keep it handy, available whenever needed. That's what I'm going to test you today, people. Yeah, I'm going to test your knowledge. This revision is going to be a little different than the early revisions. This is mostly you going to help. You're going to do it. Obviously, I'm here to help you, but I'm going to test your knowledge. Your participation is going to be a heavy participation here. If you remember, management accounting, costing, then final accounts preparation, all these I have done most of from my side, but this is your turn. It will give me a feeling that how much you have remembered throughout the course. Last only 3 lectures and we have covered the syllabus. That's enough, those 3 lectures. How much you have remembered. You should keep it everything in your head and keep it handy. If you have any doubt, then yeah, you can check the reference material. Well, it is 1.5 hour exam. It's fully computer assessed and computer marked. No human mark is there. Yep. And how many marks you need to get to pass? Yes, you need to get 70% in any AAT module. How many tasks are there? 8 tasks. All tasks are very simple, straightforward, easy, small tasks. You can finish it well advanced before 1.5 hour. Like within 1 hour, you can finish your exam. But my suggestion, take your time. Go back to reference material for double checking. Yeah, guess the answer at first attempt. Don't rely on the reference material at first attempt. Get the answer at first attempt. Like what should be the, that should be the answer. I know the rule, take it or get the answer. And then after getting it, you can go to the reference material and double check your answer and get a peace of mind. Most of the answers you should get at the first attempt, first hand. Coco says, sorry, I have to take my daughter to hospital. Yes, please, Coco, go ahead, leave the lecture and take her to hospital. Let us know any update. Hope she is fine. Hope this is nothing urgent, emergency. Please go to hospital, Coco. Yeah, thanks for letting us know. Okay, you're welcome. Okay. That's not a problem. Obviously, it happens. But, you know, again, the best part of your online lectures, you can have this lecture later on, don't you? Yeah. So you're not going to miss anything. Unless you are fully ready, don't go for the exam. Do the mocks and get yourself verified, like how much you are ready. How much you are ready. Yeah. If you're getting 80% and more than that in the competent, and just do it and go for the lecture. I mean, go for the real exam. Well, if anybody or any one of you need extra mock, knock me. I will give you. Like this is one of the mocks we're going to do today. But apart from that, if you need anything else, tell me, Ilias, I have finished all the mocks. Do you have anything else? I'll give you from BPP. I'll give you, if I have anything from Osborne books, I'll give you from that. Anything from Kaplan, I'll give you from that. Yeah. All right. Also in your My AAT, you have 2 mocks, do it. Green light test, do it. Test yourself, be competent, boom the exam. Yeah. Well, 8 tasks are there. Look at the marks allocation, very few marks are there. 8, 9, 5, 9, 7, then 7 again, 17 is the big chunk of mark. Where about the VAT return? The VAT return, you know, the boxes, 9 boxes. And that's the biggest chunk of mark here. And finally, the communication is the one of the easiest one. 8 marks is there. So let's calculate how many marks from top to bottom. I'm taking my calculator on screen. I need the calculator from you people as well, a lot. So adding up, 8 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 17 plus 8, 70 marks. How many marks? 70 marks, yeah? So, not percentages, marks, raw marks. So if you do times by 0.7, minimum 50, 49, 50 marks you need to get. So if you want to pass, 50 you need to gather. If you want a distinction, 90 you need to gather. Yeah, there is a distinction option as well. So this is an easy and short course. I hope all of you can do better. And that's it. Not just in BPP, we don't have just the course material, we have question bank. Please get the question bank and do all the questions and be more comfortable. That's it. Little more. Standard VAT is 20%. You don't need to put any point or comma like that. Yeah, especially this one I was talking about. Like, you may use a comma or just a straight number. I prefer a straight number. Like if you want to do 10,000, just 10,000. For writing, I do comma, but in the computer, I would not do it. Just straight the figures. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You have BPP pass card. If you want a small book, you can check it out. Traveling and checking it out. That's easy for pass card. Question bank is a big one. It's a good one. Revision kit. Please check that out as well. Well, that's all from the introductory talkie. I am going to get started with the mock, which I already sent you earlier. And yeah, the mock is already open. Just getting little confirmation from all of you that are you guys ready to rock on the mock? It's you people going to give me most of the answers. Just give me any, yes, I'm getting yes from Achran, Payal, Dave, Gurjinder, and Svetlana. Who else? Come on, people, show me some enthusiasm. Xavier, I didn't get the email. Ooh, which one you didn't get, Xavier? Jordan, yes, with the mock. Mock, you didn't get it. I will send you again, yeah? Don't worry about it. And I will rather put it into the here in the text just now. Where is that? Somewhere here. Okay. All right. See my. No, it's not happening here. Don't worry. Even few more pages opened. I will send you, Xavier, or anybody didn't receive that. Emma says, I don't think I got it either. How you people didn't get it? I will give you. Yeah, if you don't receive, because, you know, I told you that I'm going to give you the mock questions and answers. If you don't receive it, email me. And that is normally I do. Revision course material, I'll definitely send you. Yeah. Revision course material. So if you don't receive it, email me in advance. Yeah. Okay, I'll send it to you. Don't worry about it. All right, with that note, let's get started. That's what I have emailed you. AAT Level 3 Advanced Diploma in Accounting. Taking my pen. Okay. So those of you, only 2 students didn't receive the paper. It's on screen. We can check it out. 8 questions. Question number 1, going to be an easy peasy. I'm going to read for you, but it's just, let's assume you are reading, yeah? Question number 1, A, you have the information about 3 businesses that started a trade. How many months ago? 10 months ago, yeah? It's a new business. It's not more than 12 months old business. Don't worry. For each business, indicate their position with regard to VAT registration. Tick 1 box on each line. 10 months ago means on the 11th month, basically, isn't it? Yeah. So 3 options given. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Must register within 30 days. Then may voluntary register. cannot register. Yeah, only the exempt cannot register. They don't register. Okay, reading from here, A, B, C. First one, A, be active from the very beginning, yeah? Business has made zero rated sales, 8550 per month. So I'm taking the calculator on screen. 8550 times by 12, if we do. Ooh, okay, 102,600. Already 10 months happened, 2 more months left. Even if I do 11 months, even if I do minus 8550, yeah, what do you think? It's more than the threshold, isn't it? 85,000 threshold. Let's see who gives me the answer. Okay, I got one answer from Archran, says must register. Xavier says may voluntary register because zero rated. Okay, more answers, please. Yeah. Glenda, if anybody is joining now, we just started, yeah? Glenda says, sorry, could you just background as I'm still catching up, didn't receive any mock emails too. Okay, I'm getting the answers. Most of you are saying must register, only one discrepancy. I will talk about that discrepancy. Just for those students have joined now, that if you didn't receive this particular course material, then email me. I will email you. So I have already noted down 3 names, Xavier, Emma, and Glenda. Will email you back the course materials. If I don't, please email me. I will email you back. Okay. Now coming back to the question here. You know, Xavier, whether zero rated or standard rated, you will have to register. Yeah. What is the benefit of being zero rated? What is the benefit of being zero rated? Tell me, write me, anybody who remembers. What is the benefit of zero rated? What's the good thing, fun thing? The fun thing of zero rated is you can what? You don't pay, but you can reclaim VAT. Thank you, Xavier. Yeah, thank you, Gurjinder. Can claim input VAT. Super, super. Well done. Good people. You already know it, yeah? But you don't know, that's exam pressure. Under exam pressure, students forget so many things, yeah? That's why you should do so many practice, so much preparation that you have just spot on the question, yeah? Yeah, so whether zero rated, standard rated, you'll have to register, and within next 12 months time, your sales here is more than the threshold. You must register within 30 days time. Thank you for the good answer. Next one, B, give me the B. Let's read. The business had made sales of, again, the same amount per month, half of which are standard rated and half of which are exempt rated. What do you remember from the exempt rated? Now standard, yes, you have to, yeah. Exempt is minimize threshold, isn't it? That's what we need to keep it in our head. Getting some answers from Dave, from Gurjinder, from Archran, and from Jordan, and from Xavier. Yes, well done. Super duper, well done. It's up to them, voluntarily. Yeah, voluntarily they can. Next one, number C. Businesses made exempt sales of whatever amount. What is the answer? Exempt. Super, super. Thanks for your participation. Well done. Good people. All of you are right. Yeah. Dave, Orchard, Xavier, Emma. Yeah. All of you are doing really good. Thanks for the good participation. And throughout the lesson, I need that enthusiasm. I need that participation. All discussion, we're going to go through. Exempt, yes, they cannot register. It's exempted. So they must register, may register. Wow. Who wins? AAT wins. Okay, the puzzle. Next one, number B. Number B, I'm reading for you. Identify whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. A business has been making taxable supplies of approximately 72,000 per annum, 6,000 per month even given. For many years, all right, it's an old business. After a major bid for work, they have just owned a contract that will generate taxable sales of 80,000 per month. That's a big jump, doesn't it? In addition to existing sales with immediate effect. The business should register immediately. What do you think? Who gives me the right answer? The business should register. Gurjinder, Archran, Dave, Xavier, Allah, everybody says that's true. Pyle as well, Jordan as well, Anthony is there as well. Super, fantastic. They should, yeah. Yes, that's threshold just going to get surpassed, 85,000 threshold, and they should register immediately. Super, fantastic, well done. True is the right answer. Number C, the first action a trader should take to find out about voluntary registration is to call the HMRC VAT helpline. What do you think, people? Did you remember? Like how we approach to HMRC? What is the step? What is the step? People are giving me false answer. Dave and Archer already says false. Like here you can think, oh, that's true. Yeah, we should call them. That's not the order, you know. The first action is not that. Yeah, what is the first action? First action, you check their website. Yeah, you check the website. Yes, so the answer is false. All of you are very right. Super duper good answer. First, check the website, then call them, then write to them. That's the order. Yep. Okay, this is known as communication. I'd like to go to the, what page? 155, I remember. Reference material. This is my reference material page. So if you have any doubt, you can go to that particular page. Yeah, look at this, finding out more information about VAT. Yeah, it is really long unless you're a master, like where is which information. Yeah, if you're looking for tax point date, that's where you need to check out in the exam date I'm talking about. Yeah, then any entertainment related, this is the page you check. Likewise, yeah. All right, so that is our answer is false because we need to check out the website first. Super. The first question is done. And in the first question, how many marks? Maybe 7. Let me check out how many marks are there. 8 marks. Just imagine how many marks we gathered. 8 marks. A, B, C. Job done. Yeah, already got 1, 2, 3 marks. Yeah, and likewise. Question number 2. Thanks for good participation. Stay focused throughout the lesson. Let's see the first attempt you get, whether you get the answer. Then if it is not, we will go to the reference material. Okay, next question. A business makes a supply of reduced rate, which is 5%, no matter, for a price of 240 plus VAT 5%. Will the business be able to issue a simplified invoice? Did you remember the simplified invoice? Who remembers the simplified invoice? Yeah, the rules regarding the simplified invoice. What is that? VAT invoices I can see here. That could be, if we check out here, that could be the answer. I don't see anything simplified straight down, but VAT invoices could be there. Yeah, like VAT invoices, 158 means 168 in my 168. I'm going over there. Okay. This is I'm doing for you people. Like where you can get the answer. Valid invoice. There you go. I found it here. Simplified, less detailed invoice. Now regarding the less detailed invoice, that's your rule. It took time, doesn't it? I'll not do for most rest of the answers. I just did for this one, that you still can get the answer. If a VAT registered business makes a taxable supply of goods or services for 250 or less, what did they say? Look at this word. I just did a circle. I'm going to highlight including VAT. Including VAT. So many rules you got to remember. It's open book answer. Its answer is already there. Then it can issue a simplified. Yeah, It's less than 250 including, is it excluding? No, including VAT. Then you can issue a simplified VAT. So what is our question? The question is, a business can supply reduced rate and 240 plus VAT. I got to plus VAT now, including they said. So I got to get the including. Will the business be able to issue a simplified? Now let's do it here. 240 times by 0.05, 12 pounds. So 12 pound VAT, 240 plus 12 is 252, including VAT. Can they issue it? Who gave me answer? Already you people should have gave good answers already. Archron says no, Gujinder says no, Xavier says no, Jordan says no, so the Spile. Yeah, see everybody, now did you get the answer? From the, it's from the book itself. Like the book is open. You can open the book and get your answer, but it takes time, doesn't it? It takes time. You need to master yourself. I would advise you, please master yourself. Raise your information into the reference material, like especially at least this particular page, at least this content, master yourself. Like if there is any bad debt related, bad debt relief. Yeah, where is that? Here. Which page is there? So you can scroll up and down and get a peace of mind, double checking. Yeah. This is the second option. The first option is, you know, at the first hand, you should know it. Like, okay, yeah, it should be VAT plus 250, less than 250. Then we can issue it. Now answer is no. Hope it makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Going to the next one, and now I might not go back to the reference material. We don't need it. If you need, you can go back, but you need to give me the good answers. It's a test that how much you remember. That's it. Yeah. So for remembering, I don't know whatever you people do. I use honey. You might be wondering what honey. Yeah. Honey and milk. Drink it every night. It's gonna make your brain stronger. Okay, that's just a Indian suggestion, like Indian moms and dads, they say it. Yeah. Okay, coming back to our B, a VAT registered business makes a mixture of exempt and taxable supplies. Identify which of the following statement is true. I said that answer a little earlier regarding the exempt and taxable, especially exempt and taxable. Yeah, we use what? De-minimize, doesn't he? Let's read it then. Only the input tax relating to taxable supplies is recoverable in all circumstances. No, all input is recoverable if certain de-minimize tests are satisfied. Okay, I said I will not do anything, but I already done it. This is the answer. Anybody has got any doubt on that? Yeah. Okay, I'm already saying number 2. I hope there is no doubt. A VAT registered business makes a mixture of exempt and taxable. So the true statement here is all input tax can be recoverable if the certain de-minimize tests are satisfied. Number C, James, a registered trader, received an order from a customer on 10th June. This is going to be something tax point. Do remember the tax point, yeah? Let's see who is sharp here. The goods were delivered to the customer on 11 June. The invoice was sent 19 June. And the customer paid 19 July, 1 month later after that invoice. Identify the tax point, the transaction. Give me the answer, please. Give me the answer. I'll go over the discussion. Okay, different answers I'm getting. Okay, Xavier just corrected the June. So I'm getting all same answers now. Pyle, Dave, and Gujinder, and Xavier, and Jordan, and everybody else there, including saying 19 June. Yes, super, well done. Allow me to do a little bit of explanation, okay? And the explanation here is James, a registered trader, received, and that's correct answer anyway, 19 June, but customer order is none of our concern. Erase it from the head. That's none of our concern. Order is not a part of our basic or actual tax point. Okay, sorry, I forgot to ask you. Is it a basic or actual tax point? Who is giving me the answer? Is it a basic or actual? Jordan, say, and Gurjinder and Xavier, fantastic. Well done. Yeah, that's actual. So does Archron. Let's talk about it now. Yeah, goods were delivered to the customers on 11 June. That could have been our basic tax point, the delivery date. But look at this, the invoice was sent 19 June. What is the rule, people? What is the rule? What is the rule? How many days of the goods you delivered? Within how many days, if you issue the invoice, that becomes your actual tax point? How many days? Who remembers that? Yeah, Jordan, Ala, Archran. Use earliest unless invoice within 14 days. Okay, Xavier is even more informative here, which is good. Yeah, super. That's good. Yeah, like you within 14 days, if you issued the invoice, that's your actual tax point and that's your tax point date. But if it is more than 14 days, this is going to be a basic tax point. Whatever takes earliest in between 3, like you dispatched the goods, you sent the invoice, and you received the payment. Whichever takes place first is you're going to be a tax point. But if the money you're receiving earliest, that's going to be an actual tax point as well. So this with that within 14 days is the actual tax point. Within 14 days, if you issue the invoice of dispatch within the 14 days of your dispatch. Super, well done. Number D, reading it for you people. A VAT registered trader has retained a till receipt for stationery with a total cost of £30. However, this does not show the VAT registration number of the supplier. It's a small amount of money. Yeah? Will the customer be able to reclaim input VAT on this receipt? Now, it's a small amount of money. What do you think about it? Will he be able to? Give me the right answer. I'm not reading the options for you. Options are on screen. Once I get the answer from you people, I will talk about it. Archron says 3. So does Dave. No, exceeds £25. Who else is there? Xavier, Pyle, and Jordan. Gurjinder. Okay, good. Okay, thanks. Okay, the answer here is, yeah, it exceeds more than £25. If it is less than £25, then you can. Again, you can find this information into the reference material, but it's going to take you a long time to find it out, doesn't it? Super duper, well done, people. And that's your answer for that. And with that note, we have finished second question as well. See how fast we are going. Yeah, if my camera is sometimes off, don't worry. Yeah, I'll put it on back. Okay. Question number 3. We are going good, fast. Yeah. Question number 3. Let me read it for you people. A business makes standard rated sales with only a few sales invoices issued each year, totaling 100,000 VAT exclusive. However, it has a large number of small purchases. Small purchases, but a lot invoices. It is considering joining the flat rate scheme. The flat rate percentage for this business is 9%. It could be 8, it could have been anything, but they said 9%. And it's not classed as a limited cost trade. There are some rules regarding the limited cost trade. That's all right. If it is limited cost rate, it's 16.5%. Do remember that. So many rules you got to remember. Okay, number A, you've been asked, identify which of the statements below is the annual turnover limit for small businesses wishing to join VAT flat rate scheme. Both of these look similar. One is VAT exclusive taxable turnover, not exceeding 150,000. One is VAT inclusive taxable turnover. Who remembers the answer? Who remembers the answer here? Dave says exclusive. Who agrees with Dave? Archron agrees with Dave because Archron says 1/7 Lena and okay, Xavier. Okay, well done. Good, remember. Yeah, that's the answer. But if you have any doubt, please check invoices. Where's that? VAT invoices. That's the one. VAT invoices. Go to that page, read through, get your answer. It is just giving you peace of mind. You should do it. Yeah, you shouldn't ignore it. You should do that way. But once you get the answer full on, like, yeah, I'm 100% sure that's my answer. Just getting a second opinion from the questions given. Well, number B, let's see who remembers this one. Identify the correct way of calculating the output VAT. Which one is the correct way? Tell me. That should be easy. Okay, I'm getting answers. Okay, Xavier, it should be 2. Yeah, it's not A. Why? That is the rule. Yeah. Once your business falls within the category of flat rate, and once you're registered with a flat rate, whatever is your taxable amount, on that you do the tax first, normal tax. Yeah. Then you do 9% or 10% or 8% or whatever is the percentage you do. Yeah. That 9% you are liable to give back to the HMRC. Rest is not. Rest is basically increasing your sales. That's so fun on flat rate. That's an advantage of a flat rate. Yeah. Okay. Again, if you have any doubt, you can check out the reference material. As number 2 is the answer. This is the answer. We have done few calculations on that, and you would need to know that type of calculation. In the question exam, it comes in. And last of number 3, question number 3, identify which of the following statement is correct. I need to read for you A, B, C. Let's see who gives the right answer. If a business uses the annual accounting scheme, it may also be able to use the cash accounting scheme and flat rate. Now, who remembers this one? Is it right one, the first answer? Business uses annual, then it can choose cash and flat rate as well. I'm just asking you, is it the right answer? Who remember? No. Allah says no. Hopefully our children says no as well. And that's the correct answer. It's no. Yeah? No, you can't join all the 3. If a business, second one, uses the cash accounting scheme, it may also be able to use the flat rate scheme. Again, who remembers this one? Cash and flat rate. Cash accounting scheme. Yeah. Archron says no. More people? Who remembers that one? That's why you need to remember. That's why you can go back to the flat rate again and check it out, read it out, or annual accounting scheme, check it out. You'll get the answer definitely. Answer is no. Last one is the right answer. If a business uses the flat rate scheme, it may also be able to join the annual accounting scheme. That's my right answer, people. Yeah. Yes, I do I agree with all of you that there are quite a lot of things to remember. That's true. And you do remember that way because it's your exam. You need to get 70%, 50 marks minimum. And I hope you're going to issue the aim for the distinction. Any doubt, go to the reference material. Our answer is this. Yeah. And that's our part of learning as well. The more question you do, the more you learn. Super duper. It's just 38 minutes of the lecture and we are going very, very fast. Yeah. If you go faster, finish it, I will start another mock today. After finishing this one, I will start another mock with you people. Okay. Question number 4. A VAT registered business provides fuel on to an employee for business and private use. The business uses the fuel scale charge. That's a liability output VAT. However, in the previous VAT quota, one of the vehicles was omitted from the fuel scale charge calculation. That means our liability, the output VAT was down, wasn't it? Resulting understated of, they're telling us, understated 120 VAT. How should this be corrected? How do you correct it? which box, now boxes they are giving us, choose one. Separate disclosure on VAT 652. Add to the box number 1, add to the box number 4, deduct from the box number 4. What do you think is the answer? One answer I got from Dave, says box number 1. Archran Jordan. Pyle is giving me a slightly different answer. Pyle, are you giving me box number 1 or the option 1? Which one you have written? Because the answer here would be, if you remember the boxes, you should remember these boxes going to give you at least 25 marks. Into the 25 marks means 50% of your pass mark. Yeah, 50% of your pass mark. Yes, Pyle, that this time you're right. Add 120 to box number 1. Box number 1 is your output VAT, doesn't it? That increases your liability, and this is a liability. This is the error correction coming from last quarter, which you need to take into this quarter, and making your liability higher, output tax higher. And that is the right answer with the explanation. Second one, B. A VAT advisor was aware of changes to the VAT rules on supplying overseas services, but has not attended any update courses or read any relevant articles on the matter. He has continued to advise his clients on these matters using the old rules. That's not good. Assuming nothing significant had charged. The advisor is in breach of fundamental principle of which one? Ethical problem. Which one is he breaching? Okay, Dave, Archer, and Savtlena, all of you are saying. 2, Gujinder as well. More answer. Let's see. More answer. Do you people agree with them? Yes, I do agree with them. The answer here is he's not professionally sound and competent. He does not have that updated knowledge. There's nothing to do with objectivity, integrity, or behavior, professional behavior. It's about the competence, how much the knowledge he possesses, the accountant possesses, and his knowledge is not up to date. It's old knowledge. So that principle has been breached. Competence and due care. Well done. Number C, a trader pays VAT late for the first time. Yeah, the first time we get a little bit of relaxation from the HMRC, doesn't he? He has always submitted VAT return on time. Again, it's a good positive side from him, but late is a late. Rules are rules for everybody, but little bit of relaxation they can expect. Okay. Yeah, Gurjinder, no CPD is the right answer from the last question. But this one, what will be the right answer? I'm reading all of it for you. First one, a surcharge liability notice will be issued along with a surcharge. What do you think of it? That's too harsh, yeah, for that gentleman. Okay, second one, a surcharge liability notice will not be issued as the return was not late. That's too relaxed. That will not be done either, isn't it? The first two are not the answer. There will be a liability notice. At least notice will be there. People are giving me already the answer, but I'm still reading it. A surcharge liability notice will not be issued the first time. No, it's not like that. So yeah, I think last one is the right answer. What is the last one? All of you are giving me last one is the right answer. I'm reading it. A surcharge liability notice will be issued, but a surcharge will not be imposed unless there is a default of payment within the notice period. Yes, super. Well done, people. That's correct answer. A notice will be issued, but penalty will not be imposed. If they do any mistake within that notice period of time, then the penalty charge will be there. Yeah, we are moving fast and like a horse riding is going on. Yeah, faster. Very good. Yeah, only this particular question is going to take time. Number 7. Rest is boom, easy. 5. Question number 5, reading it for you. A VAT registered trader makes a mixed supply, yeah, to a customer as follows. Standard rated items plus VAT, zero rated items. How much VAT should be included on the invoice? You know, you're selling and making an invoice. How much you can, how much you should do the invoicing? Who remembers? And do the work. Give me the answer. I'll go through the explanations. 111 is the answer. 136.60. So I hope you are giving me right answer. Okay, let me go through the explanation. 136.6. Let's see how do you find it. At first, because we're issuing an invoice and zero rated is zero. We just can claim it. We don't charge VAT on the invoice, doesn't it? So we don't charge any VAT on the zero rated, but we do charge on the standard rated. 683. I'll take my calculator on screen. 683 times by 20%. How much I got? Yeah, well done. That's correct answer. Those of you are giving me an answer. You people are right. You people are doing good work. Number 2, B. A VAT account of a business shows the correct liability at the end of period of 2,500, but the liability on the VAT return is less. Ooh, you have shown it less. You didn't show it higher, shown it less. The liability you showed less. Which of the following explain the difference? An error of 500 understating the output VAT. Output VAT is the liability VAT, isn't it? In the previous period has not been corrected on this return. What do you think of it? Second one, an error of 500 overstating the output VAT. Nah, first one is the answer, isn't it? It was an understatement. Yeah, that's why your liability, you're showing it lower by 500. So answer is 1. It is an understatement. Yes, that was our answer for B. And end of question number 5. How many marks we have covered until that question? Question number 5. We have covered 8 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 equals to a lot of marks, doesn't it? Question number 6. Let's read it carefully. The following accounts have been extracted from the largest ledgers. My pardon, I beg my pardon, it's my bad. Extracted from the ledgers of a business for the quarter ended 31st December 2010. Ledgers, T accounts are given, yeah? No, it's a daybook information from the ledger of a business. Okay, ledger, daybooks information. Daybooks. All the daybooks information given, yeah? So don't worry about it. Sales daybook means UK sales, zero rated, standard rated, VAT is done on that, total figure is given. Then purchase daybook, UK purchases and expenses are the zero rated, standard rated, VAT is given there. Sales return, the standard, yeah, and the VAT is given. Okay, these are all daybooks, yeah? Why did they say ledger? I'd like to read the first one again. The following accounts have been extracted from the ledgers of a business. You know why? I understood now, yeah? Basically, these are day books, yeah? These are not T accounts. Day books are not ledgers, number 1. That's why I was wondering, why did they say ledger? But you still can get this VAT information from the VAT ledger accounts, you know? That's why they're saying extracted from the ledgers account. Okay, it's not a big crime to say like that, yeah? But generally, these are day books, yeah? These are day books. Well, from these day books, you can get information of your total sales, total purchases, total sales return, the VAT information you can get, yeah? And including VAT information you can get. We got all this information. Little more information. In November 2010, the VAT inclusive amount of 297 was written off as a bad debt from a customer that has gone into liquidation. The debt was 8 months overdue. If you remember, if it is more than 6 months, you need to write it off as a bad debt, don't you? Yeah, and you can reclaim the VAT, don't you? Now, let's check out the questions then. I have read all of it. Let's check out the question. Calculate the figures to be reclaimed at the VAT. Fantastic. That's the question I was going to ask you. How much VAT you can reclaim from the bad debt? Tell me. How much VAT you can reclaim? Your bad debt is 297. That's inclusive. Give me the breakdown. Archran is giving me some answer. Give me the breakdown. How do you get that answer? Archran, Dave. Yes, fantastic. Yeah, Anthony, Pyle, Archran, Ala. All of you are getting right answer. You know how they're getting the right answer? They look, Pyle and Archran gave me the breakdown. 297 divided by 6. That's it, because it's inclusive. Divided by 6, you should get 49 point. What did you get? 49.5. Yeah, thank you. I'm writing it down, 49.5. Okay, now stay focused and keep giving me the answer. I'll give you plenty of time here. If you want to check the reference material, I don't have any problem with that. Calculate the figure for box 1, VAT return, the quarter ended December. The box 1. Generally, box 1 is a liability, doesn't it? So your sales VAT and VAT minus sales return. That should be my answer. But if you have any doubt, 155 is my boxes. VAT return. Where's the VAT return? Okay. We're submitting return and paying VAT. Yes, 169. No, 176. 169 means I'm taking you to the reference material. 169 means 179. The boxes. Where is that boxes? Huh, no. I'm checking out the boxes. Just for you people that are flat rate and all. I got the answer anyway, that sales less sales return, but just checking for you people. That's my boxes. Yeah, that's my boxes on screen now. Yeah. Completing the online VAT return box by box. See, box by box. So just make your life easy. VAT dues in this period on sales and other. What do you do? This is the total amount of VAT charge on the sales to customer. It also has to include VAT due to HMRC for other reasons. For example, fuel scale. Do remember, because the next question you're going to do that fuel scale, including VAT due any supply of services from another member EC where has a 0 rated. Yeah, but they didn't say it's like sales return should be taken away. They should have said it, shouldn't they? Yeah, did they say it anywhere else? No. Sales return should be taken away. Box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Yeah. So good news is life gonna be easy. You can check it out. Yeah. That's my biggest good news every time. Let's check you people's answer. Yeah, Pyle, I think you are right. I would take your answer. 11,000 minus 1259, 9741. Do you people agree with me and Pyle? Like in the B, they're talking about calculate the figure for box 1 of the VAT return quarter ended 31st December 2010. The figure for box 1, the VAT return should be, the Pyle says 11,000 minus sales less sales return VAT. Sales is 11,000 and sales return is 1259. That should be right answer. Okay, thanks Archon for the confirmation. So 9741. 9741. Good. Give me the answer for C. Box number 4. Take your time. Check out the materials, reference materials. Box number 4. I'd rather read it for you. Reclaim the purchase. Yeah, we know it. This is the VAT charge and purchase used. So include the VAT paid on imports to other countries. Okay, outside the EU. VAT due on goods from countries outside the EU, and this is the EU. Yep, VAT due on supply services from the 0 rated. Again, they never said it's a purchase return. Purchase return should be taken away. That's from my side, I'm telling you. What should be the answer here? Yeah, good. Good, Pile and Archron. Let's see, you people included 49.50. That means the bad debt. They didn't say it here. Where? They should have said it in the box on the material, reference material. I'm looking for that one. I couldn't find, you know. The answers from Pile and Archron is right. What is the right answer here? Box number 4, like any VAT you can reclaim, it goes into the box number 4. So obviously you can reclaim that 49.5. So 49.5 plus expense VAT. How much is the expense VAT? That's your purchase VAT here. How much is that? Highlighting it for you. Oh, okay. It's not, yeah. That's why it is not getting highlighted. I don't know why. That is, I'm just doing a big circle again, yeah? 38.70. 38.70. Whatever is the answer. Let me see what is the answer. 39, 19.5. 39, 19.5. Yes, that is my answer. Super. Okay, number 7, a big chunk of mark going to be on question number 7. So question number 7 here, again the box. So I'm taking you to the reference material. The boxes are in front of you. All the box informations are given. So before doing that question, you can read little bit and make yourself comfortable. Little bit reading. Yeah, giving you a little reminder. Box number 1, all output VAT. Yeah, all output VAT. Field scale charge is there. All the any error of correction previous year output VATs are there. Box number 2 is the EU. Acquisition, VAT due on the acquisition from the EU members. Yeah, and the box number 3 is the addition of box number 1 and 2. That's the addition of box number 1 and 2. Box number 4 is the VAT you can reclaim, like expense VAT, including the EU and including the bad debt relief you get. Yep, any corrections, all of it. Box number 5 is the difference between box 4 and 3 and 4, means input and output boxes, VAT. 7 and 8 is about, no, sorry, 6 and 7. 6 is total sales, yeah, excluding return. Total sales minus return, excluding VAT, total sales, yeah, excluding VAT, minus return. Let's see it. Include enter the figures, the sales excluding VAT, the sales of each box, 0 rated, any export outside. The net amount is a credit note issued, the debit notes received is deducted. They said it, thank God. Okay, means in box number 6, all sales excluding VAT minus sales return or credit note. Box number 7 is all purchases including EU purchases, and all purchases export and whatever less a purchase return. Box number 7. 8 and 9 is whatever you're selling into the 8 to the European Commission, and whatever you're buying from the European Commission in number, what do you call it, 9. That's it. That is our little reminder. And with that note, let me take a picture of few people's attendance. I hope this is the maximum number of students we have now. I'm taking a quick picture. Attendance. Okay, it's been taken. Thank you. Okay. All right, and taking you to the question now. It's going to be long, little lengthy, but let me break it down for you people. Let me go one by one. The first one, the following ledgers have been extracted from the company's account. Yeah, now that's ledger account, that's true. Sales and sales return account. Yeah, that's a ledger, means T account. Yeah. Sales credit in the UK and sales EU sales credit. Sales return is debit, and thus I got my balance. Yeah, sales less sales return. that balance should go to box number 6, shouldn't it? I'm helping you a little here. I know you can do it just a little bit. Purchase, again, another T account is an expense account. So on the debit side, UK purchase, standard rated, 0 rated purchases. EU purchase means EU acquisition. Do remember, this should go to box number 9, doesn't it? Straight. Cash purchases. And the total purchase is this. The total purchase goes in box number what? 7, no? Yeah, box number 7. That's how you should remember. It's not my exam. I'm not doing the exam. You are doing exam. You should remember, shouldn't it? Any doubt, go back to the reference material. Now, VAT accounts there, yet again, is the liability accounts, sales VAT given, sales return VAT on the other side, purchase VAT. Cash book means more purchase VAT, yeah? Given. Your time, box number 1, please calculate and do it with a full breakdown and give me the answer with a full breakdown. Box number 1. Okay, those of you don't have the course material, can you please take a picture of it? I think this picture, if you want me to erase these things, I can do it. Can you please take a picture of it? This page and next page. People are already giving me answer. You can take 2 pictures, this page as well, and the box. Okay, I'm getting 1 answer only. Please give me more answer. I got some answer from Archron. I'm waiting for more answer. Dave gave me similar answer like Archron, but give me a breakdown like the Archron gave it. Yeah, there should be 1 less 2. Yeah, how did you get that answer, Dave? Jordan, VAT sales daybook minus VAT sales return daybook. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you, Payal, as well. Thank you. Good people, good work. I'm going back like, let's say working number 1. Like we're doing little working. Whenever on the exam day, when you go to the exam hall, assessment, ask a piece of paper, 4 or 5 pieces of paper from the invigilator and do the workings like these people are doing on a screen. So sales VAT minus sales return VAT, doesn't it? And the sales VAT is how much? Sales VAT is 241,860. 241,860. And sales return VAT is how much? 12,093. 12,093. And I'll take you people's calculation. I will not work. Yeah, 229769. 229769. Is that right one? 9767. I did 9767. 29767. 229767. Super work. Number 2, how much should be the VAT due in the period of acquisition? How much? Let's see who gave me the right answer. How much is the number 2? Thank you, Archon. Yeah, I already corrected it. Number 2 only. Come on. Pile. That was, what was that pile? Archon, what is that? VAT due in this period of acquisition from the EC. Are you sure? Number 2. Joe Archon says, I don't know. Okay, Jordan, Dave, yeah, you 2 are right. Okay, VAT due in this period on acquisition from other EC member staff. Yes, weight is given. This time your life, they made it easy, but you got to be very sharp to find it out. VAT on EU acquisition. Sometimes it is not given. Only the VAT, the total purchases, EU purchases given, then you need to work it out. Let's check it out, you know. You know, our EU purchases is how much? Purchase daybook, European Union is 293,500. And I'm doing little extra mile work for you. 293,500. If you do 20% of it, 58,700. That's what you get, but you don't need to do it. They give it to you. 58,700 is given to you. So you just choose and pick, don't you? Yeah. See, sometimes easy stuffs are difficult to do. 58,700. I'm going to take here 58,700. Number 2 is done. Box number 3. Give me the answer, please. I'm a little lazy here. Box number 3. I got some answer from Dave. Okay, Archron as well. I hope that's right answer then. 288467. 288467. Superb. Working 1. I think for purchases, I need to do one more working, don't I? Working number 2. Do it and give me the answer for box number 4. Working 2. You don't need to refer the workings, yeah? Just do it and tell me. Full breakdown. Okay, getting some answers already from Archron, waiting for more people. Box number 4. Dave agrees with Archron. Yes. Okay, I'm taking you to the answer here. You know, it's all purchases. Thank you, Jordan, as well. It's all purchase VAT. How many purchase VATs are there? Only two in the on the VAT account. One cash purchase, one credit purchase. Yeah, only 2. But are these 2 we're gonna take it? The answer is no. I'm taking another color highlighter for this particular one. Purchase daybook. Yeah, that's my VAT got to take. Cash purchases. That's my VAT got to take it. Also, this one. EU purchases, EU acquisition, doesn't he? And how much is that? You people are getting it? 216884. 216884. That's how you should do. And that should be right one because all of you are giving me the right answer. I mean, same answer. Yeah, number 5, box number 5. What is the answer? Let's wait for more answer. Okay, you people are getting the answer, but how? How do you do it? Difference of 3 and 4. Thank you. Yeah. What if it is a minus, like you can reclaim it? How do you show it? 71583. I'm taking it 71583. But let's assume, what if box number 4 is bigger and box number 3 is smaller? So how do you say it? What is that? If your box 4 is bigger than box 3, what does it indicate? Just generally tell me, right back to me. Xavier is very smart here. Yeah, good. That is the answer of the, like, that's how we do. But what does it mean? Indicates VAT reclaimable. Thank you, Xavier. That is exactly the answer, yeah? VAT, we can reclaim it because its input VAT is more. Thank you, Archron. Reclaim it, yeah? And how do you show it? Xavier said it's a minus, yeah? Bracket, put it in a bracket or minus sign at the start. Super. The rest should be the easy. Number 6, give me the right answer. The total value of sales and all other output, excluding any VAT, include your box 8 whole pounds only. Yeah, what is the answer? I think it should be sales minus sales return, but I'll check the answer now. Let's see. Sales excluding VAT in it. Where is that? Yeah, that should be my answer. Yes, Dave and Archron. You people are right. Like what? Look at the cursor. Can you see my cursor moving? Yeah. Like, can you see I'm showing the cursor on the cell stage UK? If it is, can you please write back to me? If it is not, also write back to me. Can you see my cursor moving? My cursor is over the like computer cursor. 1209 300 plus EU sales minus sales return. Do you people see the cursor is moving or not? No. Yes, thank you. Okay, that would be good. Yeah, now, because you know why, whenever I put the pen on the screen, you people's chatting box goes down. I want it to be stick on the here. It sometimes sticks. It doesn't disappear. Sometimes it disappears. Whatever. Sales, UK sales, EU sales, whatever sales, minus sales return. And that should be my box number 6. I'll take that answer. 1386,935. 1386,935. How much is my purchases? I mean 7, box number 7, total purchases. How much is that? What would be the answer, people? Tell me. I have done it for you, in fact, isn't it? How much is the box number 7? Yeah, it's just all purchases minus purchase return. There is no purchase return. Thanks for your good answers. It's 11,90720. Yeah, even Archon is going beyond mile, but we already got the balance CDBD, so we can keep our life easy. 11,90720. Boom, boom. These two are going to be the easiest one. How much is the European sales? Box number 8. European sales. 23800. I do agree with you. 23800. European purchases. 23800 is taken. European purchases. Even I've highlighted it here, box number 9, doesn't it? 293,500, yeah? 293,500. My 17 marks. See, people, how much you have covered marks. All of it. If you are good in everything, you are going to do a distinction in this particular paper, don't you? Yeah? 17 out of 17. You don't have any option to lose even a single mark, especially in this particular question. Bang it on. Yeah? Super duper, well done. Last question of this mock. And look at this, less than an hour time with full explanation and going back to here and there with the introductory talkie, less than 1.5 hour time, we're finishing it. Question number 8, help me people, making it a little bigger for you. You are an accountant, accounting assistant. So you are an accounting assistant to the company accountant of Expression Limited. You have prepared the VAT return for the period ended March, the first quarter, yeah? The company accountant wants to know the amount of VAT due. The output VAT shown in box 3 of the return for the period is 2,100, and the input VAT, that's interesting. That's what I was asking you in the box. Yeah, you can reclaim more. Okay, complete the following email. Assuming today's date is 11. Okay, there are 6 boxes and pick list for 6 given. The first one I'd like to start with. First one, to whom you're writing? To the company accountant or accounting assistant? Which one you're writing? Give me the answer. To whom you're writing? More people answer. To whom you're writing? Archana says company accountant. You can say CA, chartered accountant, company accountant. It's not just the accountant, yeah, it's company accountant, yeah. CA, okay, Xavier, yeah, chartered accountant, company accountant. That's correct answer. Taking your answer. Company accountant. From whom? From, yeah, accounting assistant. That's too much of easiness. That's like, call it, like, come on, AAT, what do you think? We can't do it. We can do it. Obviously, we can do it. Yeah. Second one was the easiest one. That's why I did it for you. I don't want you people to. Third one, look at this. Archuran is 2 steps ahead. Yeah, I didn't ask even that one, even the even Pile. Okay, what is the date? You said April. Let me check the date. Yeah, anybody disagree with them, Archuran and Pile? They said 11 April. 11 April is the right answer because that's my today's date, 11th April. 11th, how did they do it? 11th April. Oh, yeah, that's my answer. Okay, next one. As the output tax for the period ended was what? Was what? Output tax was what? Tell me. Was it higher or lower? The one Archuran said is I. I will not take it as L. I. There's no option of I, Archuran. Yes, I know it. I'm making a little fun, yeah. I knew it, that you have written L, but it could be an I, isn't it? Yeah. Thank you, everybody. That's absolutely lower, and that's the right answer. Okay. The company, what is then the company, what? Company? Okay, the options are here. If the options are not given, it would have been slightly difficult. Options will always be given difficult. We'll receive a repayment or we'll have to pay. What do you think? We'll receive a repayment, wouldn't it? Thank you. Thank you, Pyle. Thanks, other people as well. We'll receive a repayment. So I'll say receive a repayment, W as well. A VAT of how much? How much is the money? Come on. Super, that's true. 2,900. Yeah, because the difference we get from 5,000 and 2,100. Well done, super duper. You finished. Oh no, not yet. Look at these people. Ah, that's so amazing. That was spontaneous. I was just about to miss this particular question. I was so happy in the exam. Oh, this is fine. This is done. I'm so good. My distinction is there, but I missed a particular entire question. I'm going to lose 4 marks. Could be 8 marks. I didn't check it out. I didn't see it. So please scroll bottom and top to bottom every page before you go to the next page. Okay, that's another exam technique. Please do remember that one. Yeah, otherwise I would have missed this particular question. Come on, I don't want to miss you. I would like to attempt. Which of the following should the HMRC officer be permitted to review? Okay, what is the scenario here? HMRC has notified you of the intention to visit the business in order to inspect the VAT record. They'd like to come to our premises, visit us. Very bad and sad. We don't want these people to come and visit us. Come on, stay away. Okay, if they come and visit us, what they can check? Choose 2 of the following. Can they check employee payslip? Can they check fixed asset purchase invoice? Can they check export documentation? Can they check health and safety policy? Which 2 they are more interested? Which 2 are the best answer? Give me the answer, please. Let's see. Which 2? 2 and 3. Yes, 2 and 3. Yeah, that's absolutely. Payslip, they are not bothered about it. Don't worry. It's nothing to do with the VAT to them. A fixed asset purchase, yes, there's something to do with VAT. We can hide VAT, we can reclaim extra VAT, yeah. Export documentation, yeah, there could be manipulation or any, like, even if it is not manipulation, whether we kept the records properly or not. These 2 are the right answer. Boom. Yeah, now I can clap it. Well done. Good job. Good people. Good job. Yeah, and that's all from this first half of our lecture. And we have successfully finished the entire question. I do have the answer here. Let's check the answer from where I had a doubt. I had a little doubt somewhere. Where is that? The boxes, maybe, no? Checking. Yeah, the boxes. Sales-less sales return, wasn't it? It looks right. I've taken here in the box 229769. Let me see, 229769. Yeah, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Sales-less sales return. Look at this on the screen. I'm Sales less sales return. Purchases. If there is purchase return, we have done a purchase return. Even here, sales return taken away. Super duper. Okay. We still have 10 minutes in this lecture. If you have any quick question, you can raise it now. If you have any quick question, because after the break, I'm going to start another, what do you call it, mock. I'll send you that mock questions only. Answers, okay, answers as well, because you can check it out later. Questions and answers. After the break, I'm going to start another mock from BPP. Question and answer. And those of you who didn't receive, I'll send you this one as well. Yes, people. Any question you want to ask me, relevant, irrelevant, no matter. Okay, just letting you know that what do you call it? Next module, we will let you know in advance. It could be advanced bookkeeping, or it could be your, we still have ethics and spreadsheet, synoptic, all those. Yeah, so you can ask me questions regarding that either. How many of you are going to do the face-to-face classes, or are you doing, anybody doing on-campus classes with KBM? Any other module, either working or Park Royal? Okay. It's a no from all of the students. So nobody is doing on campus. None of you. Okay, just getting little feedback. What do you think? Is the on campus and online, like which one you prefer? Most of the students prefer on campus. I've seen it. Because Arjun says online. Good. What do you think? Let's get the opinion from most other students. I personally feel online is good, even for my lovely Emma, Payal, Ala, good. There's nothing wrong with in person. Like obviously it's in person, you have greater opportunity, yeah, especially in this situation. You have more opportunity to make friends, have a cup of coffee, yeah. Due to travel, exactly, Xavier, yeah, times, but in person for quick questions and talk. Yeah, if you feel you want to talk to me, just tell me. I will put your microphone on. Let's talk here. But that takes a little extra time. That's why we don't do it here, but we can do it. Yeah, online is really fine. To be very honest with you, once you complete your AAT level 4, or even after level 3, if you complete level 4, you can get 3 exemptions from ACCA, yeah, and do the rest of the ACCA papers. But still, it's difficult. It's not going to be easy. Then from a level 3, you can start ACCA, but there is no exemption. But after doing level 4, it's more good. Your knowledge will be better than any other students. So what I was sharing my own experience. I completed most of my ACCA papers within 2 years. Within 2 years, all the papers are done. Back in 2012, everything is done. 3 years, in fact, 2009, I started end of 9, 11 and 12, 10, 11, 12, yeah, 10, 11, 12, 3 years taken. But from that onwards, I was stuck in 2 papers, last 2 papers. For whatever reason, 1 mark, 2 marks, I was getting less. And then I have taken, I attended LCA, which is now Anglia Ruskin University. But then I started taking online lectures. That was so helpful. During the traveling, I was watching the videos, headphone on head and checking the videos. practice, all the practice was there. Yeah, what do you think if we do something like that in KBM, like covering the entire book thoroughly, practicing all the questions, and small videos, 5-10 minutes videos covering 5-10 minutes videos on each topic, but not each chapter. Each chapter could be 50, 60, 70. Yeah, what do you think? Hachran says, yeah, helpful. It is helpful, I can tell you, I can guarantee you. It is a lifesaver. Yeah, it's on demand. It's not live, it's recorded. Yeah, that would really be good. Yeah, that will definitely be helpful. Thanks for your feedback. That helped me personally. Even ACCA is the international platform, not like AAT. AAT is popular only in United Kingdom, also in South Africa and some other countries, AAT. But in United Kingdom, AAT is very respected. Yeah, easy to pass compared to other professional accounting bodies. But these videos are really helpful. It helps you. You're traveling. Let's say you're traveling by bus and underground. Underground, you might not be able to watch through the internet, because these will be recorded and you can watch it via internet. So recorded videos on the buses, you can check it out. Yeah, coming back, coming, and also relax and check it out on demand. Oh, live lessons will be there as well. Another question: if I finish AAT 2-3 level 2-3, can we do AAT 4 or ACCA? My suggestion: do AAT level 4. Don't skip it. Why? Because AAT has its own recognition. Yeah, ACCA is difficult. Obviously, you should do, but do it after level 4. Level 4, there are 5 modules only, and just do it. And with AAT certification, you can do your own practice. That's really amazing in UK. Yeah, what about the chartered people does? AAT people can do it, apart from the external auditing. Yeah. Yes, Gurjinder, I do take AAT level 4 lectures as well. I have few videos on my YouTube channel, but going to make more videos on it. And we are in a process to make video lectures. I hope I'm already making quite a few video lectures for KBM. So hopefully that will be a good one. Yeah. Yeah. Why not? People should aim for the best, shouldn't he? Yeah. Aim for the best. Aim for ACCA, aim for CIMA, aim for ICAW. Yeah, get chartered after your name. Highly respected all over the world. And good money is there as well. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, another question coming in here: will AAT work outside UK as well? I've seen in South Africa, AAT is very popular. And which other countries? In Burma, Myanmar, another country in Asia, next to Bangladesh, China as well. AAT is very recognized, but that's it. Only few countries. Yeah, of course, Pyle. Bookkeeping, not just bookkeeping. You can get license for accounting practice. Yeah, it's not just bookkeeping practice. With AAT, you can get full accounting practice. It is recognized by IFAC. Yeah, after level 3, no. But for the bookkeeping, you can get, because you already have a bookkeeping ATQB. I need to check it out. For that, you have a smaller route here. Maybe after level 3, you can get the bookkeeping. Oh, why to be satisfied with bookkeeping only? Yeah, be an accountant, isn't he? Yeah. Yeah, we'll check it out with the AAT. If you have any query, you can ask directly to AAT. We can find it out for you people as well. Yeah. Okay. That was out of the box questions, but I think these are good and needed and relevant. My suggestion for you people, keep working hard, and as long as it is fresh in your head, do the mock, do the real exam. Next week it's going to be an off. A week after we might start another new course. Within that time period of time, please do your mock and do your real exam, pass it and give me the good news. All right, I think one more question from Gurjinder. Any plans for synoptic? Maybe week after. Next module can be synoptic. Next module can be synoptic. Who didn't do advanced bookkeeping? How many of you are there? Advanced bookkeeping. I know Xavier, you didn't. Yes, Xavier hasn't done it. Alexio done it, didn't do it. Achran didn't do it. 3 only. Svetlana, what about ethics and spreadsheet? We're going to do it. Definitely, we're going to do it, ethics and spreadsheet, but just taking more students. Jordan didn't do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students already there. Half of the students. The rest of you, I believe you've done it. And you have passed. I hope so. Yeah, Pyle, Glenda, Emma, you people has done it. Svetlana as well, maybe, isn't he? Dave as well, you people have done it. Yeah. Ethics, costing, and Excel. Not the, oh, Xavier, you need to do the costing, don't you? Yeah. So many things in your bucket list, Xavier, yeah? Well, yeah, we got to do ethics and Excel. Yeah. But I'll let you know. Okay, it's a break time, so I'm taking the break now. See you after the break, and exactly half an hour later, 12 o'clock or 1 past 12. Till then, bye. Hello, everybody who is back. We are back. And I hope you have received my email. Did you? Alexio is not there. He's left because of the work. Yeah, I can see. Good. Geron got the email. Hope the rest of you got the email, and all of you are here. If you're there, give me a hi. Hello. Good. Good, Xavier and Pyle, Svetlana, Anthony, go to. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, Alagote, without wasting any more time, let me go to the screen sharing. Oh, that's the email I sent it to you a little earlier. Okay, this is the mock we're going to do now. Taking my pen. That's good. All right, mock number 2 is from BPP. I hope you people are ready and there, ready to rock. Yes. Okay, going to steadily. Maybe not all of you, all the questions we ain't going to do, but let's say as much as we can do, we do. First one, you have the following information about the taxable supplies of 3 businesses. For each business, indicate whether they need to register for VAT immediately within the next 30 days or monitor. So 3 options, 1, 2, 3. Register now, within 30 days, monitor, and just like the other question, question number 1. So it's A, B, C. How about A? A business, a new business with an expected turnover of 7,500 per month for the next 12 months. Remember, it's a new business, isn't it? And expected turnover for the month for the next 12 months. I got 2 answer, 3 answer, 1, 2, 3, 4 answer. Yeah, quite a few answers. Number 3. Yes, I do agree with you. We need to monitor it. It's a new business, and I got my calculator here. 7,500 times by 12. It does exceed 85,000 threshold, but because it's a new business, we need to monitor it, doesn't it? Okay, and it's for the next 12 months. It's not like 10 months gone already, 11 months gone already, nothing like that. Number B, an existing business with a total turnover of 77,000. This is already an existing, it's not a new business, for the last 11 months. Wow, nearly there, 85,000, nearly there. Sales for the next 30 days are not known yet. What do you think? Number B, what do you think? Xavier says monitor. Thanks, it's not a monster this time, isn't it? Last quite a few times you said instead of monitor, spell is auto speller. Yeah, Archer and Gurjinder, Bayal and Xavier, all of you are right. It should be monitored because it's not known. If it is, we would have knew it, do it without any delay. And number C, an existing business with a total turnover of 7,500 per month for the last 12 months. For the last 12 months, what it would be? Number C. Last 12 months. Remember, yeah? Yes. Gurjinder, it's not going to be 1. Yeah, register without delay is next 30 days. Within next 30 days, it's going to be your threshold, then without any delay. Last 12 months, so you have 30 days period of time. you can register like that way. Yeah, I think that's my correct answer. Just quickly checking the answer. Just quickly. Yes, that's correct answer. Yeah. We got to remember those things. Yeah, so many things are there. So if there is anything, registration rules, please go back to your, what do you call it? 156, this page. Yeah. And check out the threshold and registration and deregistration, and check out the pages from the reference material. Super duper well done. Next one. Identify whether each of these businesses can register for VAT. Tick one box on each line. Okay, can register, cannot register. We're going to check out again 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 1, Blonde Limited making only 0 rated supplies. What do you think? Can or cannot? Number 1. Yes, well done. They can register. That's absolutely correct. Because it's 0 rated, standard rated, reduced rated, they can register. Well, next one is White Limited, making standard and 0 rated. I think I gave you that answer. But still, what do you think? Standard and 0 rated? Yes, they can register. Yeah, can register. Fantastic. Orange Limited. Okay, moving to the 3, next 3. Thank you. Making only exempt supplies. What do you think? Okay, excellent. All of you are right. Yeah. They cannot register because exempt, they don't need to register. Yeah. Number 4, Pink Limited, making standard and exempt. Yeah. Yes. Okay. People are saying can. Yes, can. They can register. That's absolutely correct. Because the exempt comes in, de-minimize rules comes in as well, doesn't it? Super duper well done. Next question, question number 2. Identify whether the following statement is true or false. If a VAT registered trader makes both taxable and exempt supplies, the total input VAT suffered is apportioned between these supplies based on sales to determine the recoverable input VAT. Yeah, long question. Although one sentence, long sentence, what do you think of it? True or false? You can double read it. A VAT registered trader makes both taxable and exempt supplies. The total input suffered is apportioned between these supplies. It's taxable and exempt. We have done one of these type of questions. The sales to determine the recoverable input. Unattributable stuffs are there. So yeah, the answer should be false. But I'd like to check the answer 1 minute, within a minute time. Question number 2. Yeah, it is false. Only unattributable VAT, taking my pen, only unattributable VAT on overheads is apportioned, yeah, between taxable and exempt supplies. Please do remember, so many rules we have learned. Unattributable can even come heavily on it here. So unattributable VAT is apportioned between taxable and exempt supplies. It is false because it's not matching here. Suffered apportioned between the supplies when the sales determine the recovery. No, only the unattributable, the stuff, that one, VAT should be portion between the taxable and exempt supplies. False is the answer. Next one. Tax point, identify the tax point. I can see should be easy for you people. Registered UK trader orders goods from another UK registered trader on 12 June. Order is none of our concern. The goods are received 28 June. Followed by an invoice 1 week later. I think you should get the answer here. The trader pays the goods quite a few later. Yeah. Yes. 5th July should be our answer. That's well done. Is it basic tax point or actual tax point? Yes, well done. Well done. Yeah, all of you are right. Yeah, all of you are Jordan, Xavier, Kuchinda, and all of you are right. It's correct. The actual text point. It's not a basic. And if I wish one, thank you, Payal, as well, of the following does not need to be included in a less detailed simplified VAT. Again, you should go to the simplified VAT. You know, I know so many things it's difficult to remember, so we can go to the, last mock we went to the simplified VAT. Still, let's see how much you remember. Which one of the following does not need to be included? Which one doesn't go into the simplified VAT? That means which one goes in it? Description of the goods and services that goes in it. The date definitely should go. Total of excluding VAT, that we don't need it. Yeah, the supplier's name and address, yes, should be. Yeah, number 3 is the answer then, yeah. The total excluding VAT. But it again, any case of doubt, please go to the reference material and make your life easy and get the full confirmation. Question number 3. Complete the following statement. Choose one. What is this? Business can join cash accounting scheme. Let's see who remembers the cash accounting scheme. If so many things are here. Annual VAT exclusive taxable turnover is less than, no more than means less than 1350,000. I think that's a good one. Inclusive, no more than, then VAT exclusive turnover 151. What is the answer? 1. Yeah, 1 should be the answer. Number 1, 150 is not the answer here. Flat rate. 1350 is the answer, but it should be exclusive. VAT exclusive, shouldn't it? Again, any doubt, go to the annual cash accounting scheme, not the annual cash accounting scheme, and check your answer and get the right answer. Here the right answer is exclusive. Number B, business has an annual VAT period ending 31st December and operates the annual accounting scheme. Less admin burden, only once you got to do it. And few more characteristics. If I say it, you will definitely gonna get the answer. But what is the answer? Identify which of the following statements is correct. Which one is the right answer? I'm not reading it. I'm leaving it on you. For B, only I got so far 2 answers from Pyle and Arjun. And Jordan. Why this is fading? Why you are fading here? What happened? I was talking to my printer. Okay, what are other people? Are you people sleeping? Did you forget about the annual accounting scheme? 9 installments, 9 payments should be there, shouldn't it? That's my answer, isn't it? Thank you, Emma. Yeah, 9 payments. That's my straightforward answer. There's no 12 months, no 4, 1 annual payment, no 9 payment. But yeah, that also relevant here is with a balancing payment due within 2 months after the 31st December. 2 months time you get, don't you? So this is your right answer, number 2. Very good, people. Other people are encouraged to participate, please. Complete the following statement. Excuse me. Or choose one. The business operating a flat rate. Did you see this scheme's questions are coming? It could come from annual cash scheme, flat rate scheme, doesn't it? Yeah, different schemes. This is also an interesting one. Very similar, but will be different. People are you no. A flat rate scheme pays a flat percentage of VAT inclusive taxable turnover to HMRC. See, read it carefully. And the pays a flat rate percentage of VAT inclusive total turnover to HMRC. Did you remember that one we did last time? I don't know, there was some figure, let's say 500 was the figure, and then 20% is the VAT, then you'd get the VAT plus this plus VAT, then you do a flat rate percentage, 9%. Yeah. So yes, Achran and Jordan, well done. Total is the answer here. Yeah, pays flat rate percentage of VAT inclusive. This VAT inclusive. Yeah. Total turnover. like the turnover itself is the VAT inclusive 20%, which actually makes your turnover high. Means you collect money including VAT, but how much you pay? You pay less VAT. It's a flat rate. Yeah, let me take you here. Let's try to find out. I've done it somewhere here. I'll look for it. No, not this one. I have this type of question. This is the question on the screen. Question number 3. Erasing everything here. Yeah, and if I had the correct way to calculate the output VAT for this business. Now on 100,000, we did the 20% VAT first. Then that is my total inclusive of VAT is that's total sales. Then we did 9% is the flat rate, and that is being said here. Pays a flat rate percentage of VAT inclusive of total turnover to HMRC. Okay, moving to the next one is a fantastic one. A VAT registered business written off to irrecoverable. Two irrecoverable people concentrate debts that were in respect of standard credit sales. The first was for 400, okay, VAT exclusive, okay, and invoice dated, very important invoice dated, and very nice one, July. Just remember the July, 15 July, whatever July. Second was 750 exclusive VAT, and was dated April. Obviously, April comes before July. The business does not offer credit terms. Calculate how much VAT the business can reclaim as a bad debt relief. What is the answer? How? Archran is giving me 5150. Now, bad debt is 400 plus 750. It's highly low, is also getting 150. 750, 1050, isn't it? 1050 is my bad debt. Bad debt. On that, I should do 20%, shouldn't I? But Archran says no, 750 times by 20%. Why? I thought this is all my bad debt, and I should do 20% on the all my bad debt. But you are saying 750 only. I'm highlighting the 750 only, and I'm highlighting the date here. Why, Archran? Why you are taking on 750? Why not the 400? 400 is also bad debt. Why you can't reclaim the 400 bad debt? Anybody else can give me the answer. That is correct answer, by the way. 150 is the right answer, but why and how? Okay, Jordan, good. 6 months minimum because of April. They did what? Okay, take the 6 months rule. That'll do the job. Means to be written off as bad debt, you need to take it more than 6 months. Yeah, you need to, like, last 6 months, you're not getting your money back. So it's more than 6 months, and I think 4.5 years, isn't it? Yeah, up to 4.5 years. So on 750, you should do, okay, 750 is more than 6 months, 20%. That my VAT is 150. Good job. Question number 4. Identify whether the following statements are true or false. Tick one box each line, 1 and 2. The first one, give me the answer. Tax avoidance and tax evasion. Okay, tax avoidance is a method of trying to reduce the tax burden. It is illegal. Is tax avoidance illegal or tax evasion illegal? Or just give me first true or false. Number 1, true or false. More people, please participate. Is tax avoidance illegal? Now, you might need to look the reference material, but yeah, that's false. Tax avoidance is legal, but tax evasion is illegal, which is true, doesn't it? Tax evasion is illegal. You can get fines and imprisonment. This is tax avoidance is a window dressing, like creative accounting. Unethical, but legal tax avoidance. And tax evasion is absolutely illegal. Deliberate and hiding the tax and all evasion. Next one, number B, a VAT registered business incurred the following VAT exclusive, they said expenditure during a particular quarter. Now, Now, I would like to read the question here. Requirement: calculate how much input VAT can be reclaimed by the business. Now, can you reclaim entertaining UK clients, entertaining staff, new car for sales manager, new van? So these are the highlighting words. Which two? I definitely say here, two you can reclaim, two you cannot. Which two you can reclaim? Which two you can reclaim? Yeah, if it is foreign client, you can reclaim. If it is UK client, you cannot reclaim. So first one is not the answer. Second one, staff entertainment, you can reclaim definitely. Van is exclusively for business use. Yeah, it's not a car. Yeah, so van you can reclaim, car you cannot reclaim. So all of you are right, in fact. Yeah, two and what? No, 2 and 4. Yeah, 2 and 4. Yeah, okay, 2 and 4. Now 2 and 4 is 2 is 6,500 plus 4 is 8,500, but that's not the question and answer. The VAT register, VAT, how much VAT is the 20%, doesn't it? 20%. 3,000 is the answer. I'll take your answer. Yeah, 15,000, and if you do 20%, I think you get 3,000. Yes, you do get 3,000. Well done. Yeah. Next question, next requirement here is: a business has a turnover of 6 million. The output VAT on its last VAT return was understated. There's a mistake by 30,000. The mistake by 30,000, and the input VAT was overstated, 23,000. Two mistakes happening last period. Output understated, output input overstated. That means it's very dangerous. Like HMRC people would be angry on you. Yeah, like you are getting win-win situation. Okay, what is the question here? Identify which of the following statement is correct. Which of the following statement could be correct? A correction cannot be made on the next return as the error exceeds 50,000. Number 2, a correction cannot be made on the next return as the error exceeds 10,000. Number 3, a correction can be made on the next VAT return as the error is less than 1%. What do you think? Why did I say win-win? Because you are showing your liability less and you're reclaiming higher. That's why I said win-win situation. Yeah. The rule here, okay, let's wait for more students' answer. Let's see what other says. Yeah. Okay, that is slightly typical. It should be 50,000. Why? Because two errors are more than 53,000, more than 50,000. 30 plus 23 it makes it 53,000. So the errors are more than 53,000. So you should need a separate form. Yeah, you just cannot correct it. 652 form. You need a separate form. So A is the right answer. 1, because it overreads 3. Yeah, exactly. It overreads 1%. The correction can be made. The error is 1% of the turnover, less than 1% of the turnover. It's more than 50,000 is the rule here, right? Okay, question number 5. Get ready with the calculator. Business sales standard rated goods, the list price 1,200 excluding VAT. To a customer offering a prompt payment discount 3%. For payment within 10 days. The customer pays within 1 week, means 7 days, means customer gets the prompt payment discount. How much the VAT is charged? Who gives me the smart answer here? How much is the VAT charged? Prompt payment discount has taken place. Let me do some calculation. Okay, well done, people. That's the right answer. 232.80. That is absolutely good answer. And the way I did on the calculator is the way you do. Also, Pile, Hatchron, they did similar good working. Yeah, very good work. Little noise could be here because construction work going on nearby my house. Okay, so I'm taking your answer is 232.80. All right. Then next one. Very good one. Good job, you people are doing it. Yeah. Next one. A business's VAT return for a period shows the correct liability due to HMRC 7,800. The last period's VAT payment which you made. If you make a payment, the liability goes down, was posted twice in the VAT account. What do you think? What is the uncorrected balance? Means uncorrected. You didn't correct it. What is the uncorrected balance? Got two answers already. Yeah, it should be down, shouldn't it? Like due to HMRC 7,800 and payment should be here, shouldn't it? Payment should be here, 2,300. But the payment was recorded on the other side twice. Means once we have recorded 2300, that's fine, but we have recorded one more extra time by mistake, 2300. So obviously it's gonna make it this is right, but this is not. The one extra we have taken it, which made it down. It should be down 5,500. The answer. Number 6. So the following accounts have been extracted from a company's business ledgers for the period ended 31st March 2010. The EU acquisitions of goods that would normally be standard rate. Okay, fine. Sales and sales return account. Sales, it's a T account, yeah. Sales, UK sales given. EU dispatches means sales given. Sales return given. And that's my CD total. Okay, Xavier, you know, it is not 4,600. It's not double. Double means first one is right. It should have been anyway. Yeah, 2,300 should have been anyway, which is fine. But you have written is twice. You know, this one, the second one you have written, that is wrong. You shouldn't do it. So 7,800 minus 2,300. How much is the answer? Let me take my calculator. 1,800. It should be less. It can never be up. So less is the 5,500 minus 2,300. Too much zero I've done it. Yeah, 5,500 is the answer. Yeah. Xavier, I hope it makes sense now. That would be the correct. They were asking for incorrect. No, hold on. That is the incorrect one. That is the incorrect one. A businesses. Okay, we'll check the answer. A business's return for the period. There is no. How can you check them? There's no sort of last period. Hold on. Period. Payment was posted twice. Yeah, the VAT account. And the business return for the period shows the correct liability due to is this much. Last period's payment. Last period's payment. And this is this period payment. Yeah, I'm bringing it back as BD here. And these two, we can take it last one. Twice in the account. Twice in the account means one is correct. Another one is not correct. So this one is not correct. Because of that not correct, it will be affected by 2,300 only, not by double. Yeah, one is absolutely correct. Okay. So 2,300. If you didn't write it, then my 7,800 is absolutely correct. No problem with that. If you didn't write it twice, then it would have been correct. But because you have written 2,300, so it is making a difference. It's not the right figure. Yeah. What is the uncorrected balance showing on the VAT account? This is the uncorrected VAT. Yeah. This is the uncorrected VAT. Once the effect is taking once, uncorrected VAT is the amount payable is here. Okay, running out of time. Going back to the question here. I was dealing with this question on the screen. Purchase account is there. Purchase, UK purchase, EU purchase, then that's it, no return. It's a T account to get total balance CDBD. CD is the what we need to take in the boxes. I hope you know which box you need to take into what. Then it's a VAT account. It again is a T account, credit and debit. Sales, UK sales return is there. Purchases given. Now, your manager wants to record the VAT on EU acquisition. VAT on EU acquisition is not shown here, but you need to calculate as input tax, but not within output tax. The VAT acquisition goes both, doesn't it? Within input and output both. But people are working out here. But give me a little minute. What is being asked? Calculate the figure for VAT due on EU acquisition. Figures for the VAT on EU acquisition. Yeah, EU acquisition, you need to check out how much is the EU acquisition. Is it 97,000? 9,700. Yeah, correction, Archron, please. Yeah, one extra zero you put a EU acquisition, and then it's correct. If you do 20% on it, you should get right figure. I think 1940 should be the right figure. I'm not doing any calculation. I'm just taking your words, going a little fast. 1940 is right. What response should you give to manager? You know, manager is not correct here. Your manager wants to record VAT on EU acquisition as input tax, but not within the output tax. What should be your response? There are three options given. Agree, as this is the correct VAT treatment. Come on, would you agree with him? Of course not. Yeah. Number two, VAT legislation and my what ethical principles require me to disclose. Oh God, it's interactive. Disclose the amount within output VAT. That looks a good answer. I agree. I would definitely not agree. Yeah. So number two is the answer. Good going. C, calculate the figure for box 1. Box 1, who calculates it correctly with breakdown? Please do it for me. Box 1 and box 4. Please calculate the figures for box 1 and 4. Make sure EU acquisition goes in both of it. Box 1, how much? 38540. 38540. Good. 42,000 minus 42,000. 42,000 minus 3460. Yes. 42,000 minus 3. Yeah, sales less sales return. Sorry. That should be. That's it. Yeah. Acquisition. Acquisitions goes into the number 4. Anyway, box number 1 should be this. Sales less sales return. 42,000 minus this. I do agree with you too. I would expect more answers from more people. 38540. 38540 should be right answer. We'll check the answer in a minute. Calculate box number 4. Box number 4. 1, 2. Yeah, there's no purchase return. Yeah, now the EU acquisition should come in into the box number 4. 21620. Good job. 21620. 21620. Yeah, that should be my answer. Just double checking quickly from the back of the book. I mean, not back of the book. I think these are right answers. I think these are the answers we have taken so far. Where's that 150 coming from? 150, yeah, we've done it. 3,000, we've done it. Correction cannot be made to done it. We've done quite a few. That's the one. This is 3857. Well done. Good job. Moving to the big question, 17 marks worth of question. I hope all of you received the email so you can open it on your computer. Just give me, take your time. Just give me the answers. It's the same thing, sales and sales return account. It's a T account. So you know which box you need to deal with and where does it go? Then where does it go? Now, EU acquisition, where does it go? EU dispatches means where does it go? different boxes, 4 different boxes it goes in it. And then you have VAT account, sales, more sales, cash and credit sales return, purchase, cash purchase, and EU acquisition as well. They calculated for us. Okay, well, easy peasy go. Yeah, Archran, there is no rush. Box 1, please. Yeah, box 1. Other people should participate as well. Please take participation. Box 1 only. Considering box 1 only. Okay, thank you, Dave, Archran, and Pyle. 114140. 114140. Yeah. Okay. Super. Well done. Box 2, please. How much should be the box 2? Box 2. 1520. The easiest one. 1520. Taking your answer. Box 3, please. Box 3. Okay, good. I'm getting identical answers from you people. So 115660, 115660. Box 4, you need to do little works. You need to do little work. So please work it out. Box 4, purchases, more purchases, EU acquisition is there. So no purchase return. Box 4. Box 4. Breakdown, please, breakdown. How many? So 25,5510 plus 4,500 plus 1520, doesn't he? Yeah. Look at this, the highlighter I'm using now. Purchase VAT 25,000 plus more purchase cash purchases, that, and then EU acquisition, whatever that makes. And hope that is 31,530. 31,530. Well, thank you. Box number 5, please. Box number 5. Let's see if it is identical answer or not. More people, yeah, it's identical answer. 84,130. 3 people gave me that answer already. Okay, so is it positive or negative? Obviously, it's payable, so there's no minus. Number 6, give me the answer. Box number 6. Checking box number 6. Where is that? Yes, 935,700. 935,700. Box number 7. 232150. 232150. Good. Number 8. Box number 8. Dispatches. Yeah. 25,000. 25,000. Number 9. Acquisition. 7,600. Super duper. Again, people got full mark. Yeah. That's well done. And we were very quick on that note. I thought I would be run out of time, but not actually. We are left with only one question, and I'm glad that we managed to finish it faster and quicker. Okay. Last question. You are the accounts assistant for ABC Limited and have completed the following VAT return for the quarter ended 31st May. Quarter ended it's 31st May. Do remember. It's a different quarter. Okay, quite a few information given. This is an important one. It's a liability, VAT liability. Rest is not that much needed. Okay. Reading here, the business does not use any special accounting scheme. Today's date is given, which is going to give you some marks. Draft an email to the finance director, FD, advising him of how much VAT needs to be paid when and when. Okay, who am I? I am an accounts assistant. Yeah, here I'm an accounts assistant. So pick list given, but it's not the pick list like the other one here. This one was a good one. Why I said good one? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise they given it. But this time it's slightly differently given. To whom? Yes, you are writing to whom? FD, thank you. To finance director. From whom? From whom? From accounts assistant, double A. Subject VT payable, I mean payment, that's all right. Date, what is the date? Okay, 7th June. Hopefully it will be on your exam date, yeah? 2010. I have enclosed a copy of the completed VAT return for the quarter ended what? Good. Yes. It's one of the easiest question, isn't it? You will see that the amount, what will be, it's a figure here. Look at this. And this is not a figure. Yes. Amount, what will be what? Amount payable, excellent. Payable, it is given in the pick list. Yeah, when you, where is the pick list? Payable is there. When you put your cursor here on the computer, you will see the payable amount. How much is the amount? 123,814. This should be what? Not later than, come on, this should be what? This should be, yes, tell me. Yeah, is it paid electronically, received electronically? Yeah, payable already have taken, paid electronically. No later than when? No later than when? You get 2 months, didn't you? Excellent. Well done, good people. 7 July. 7 July. With that note, well done. You have completed another mock. So 1 lecture, 2 mocks is really good one. It's really good one. Question can come from anywhere. Yeah, it's a big syllabus. Not big syllabus, it's a good size syllabus, but you need to master yourself. And that's all from my side. Still have 15 minutes, but we can take 10 or 15 minutes early break today. Stopping the share. Yes. Okay. Questions. Although we had question session in the practice test questions. Seflin, I send you. Could you send me, please, this practice test? Is it possible to have another exam PDF or 2? Xavier, I sent you 2 already. 1 more I will try to get from Kaplan. If I get, I will send it to you. Sabatlena, you didn't receive it? Why not? Email me, please, then, yeah? Because I have sent it to everybody's email. If you have received my link, because I made a group, the same group, one-click group, yeah? So email me asking for anything, I will do so. This is indirect tax, yeah? Yes, I can send you some from Kaplan. Yeah, I do have extra mocks from Kaplan. Yep, Kaplan book. Kaplan is also good. Yeah, BPP is definitely world class. Osborne is there, also good. Yeah. Yeah. More questions. Please send us all. Okay, I'll send you all. Yeah, I need to collect it. Basically, I teach with another college. Those are private students, basically. So I get those books from them because with KBM, we do only BPP, but Kaplan from other students. So I'll collect it from them. I'll send it to you. My suggestions for all of you is, don't go to the exam hall without doing minimum 3 mock. Each mock you should score 80% plus. also do the green light test from your My AAT. If you ask me what is a green light test, then it's a very sad news. You should already aware of what is a green light test. It is in your account from AAT, it's free. You have 2 mock exam in your My AAT, it's free. Just do it, yeah? That's it. What else? Buy the practice booklet, exam practice booklet we call it, or just practice booklet from BPP, and do it, or workbook from any other publisher, and do it. Loads of questions will be there. You'll be somewhere there. You will be more than ready to get 90%. Yeah. I hope all of you are ready, and it's good. It's short, easy to pass, especially final accounts preparation and indirect tax. But yet again, if you're not honest with you, it's difficult to pass whatever module it is. Yeah. Always advanced bookkeeping and management accounting costing is the hardest one. Rest is really enjoyable and easy. Those are enjoyable as well, but those are lengthy. Okay. All right, people. So I think it's time to say goodbye then. See you after 1 week. Next week is break. No class next week. Within this week time, please prepare yourself for the mock, for real exam, do the exam, and come back. Which module do you want? Next module. I have 2 options: advanced bookkeeping and ethics and spreadsheet. Let's see the voting. All of you are welcome. Thanks for your appreciation. And okay, Archran and Zebra says advanced, Savitlana says ethics and spreadsheet. Advanced bookkeeping, 2 people. Savitlana says ethics. Dave has already completed and it's not there. Oh, it's there. Dave is there. Yeah. Ethics and spreadsheet. Glenda said spreadsheet. Yep. It's a mixed then. I will pass the information to the authority. They will ask you as well. Yes, why not? Absolutely. You can join any other group, but only one group. Yeah. All our teachers are really fantastic. Yeah. So get some tests from other teachers as well. Okay, that's all then from my side. AKBM will ask you about the what do you call it? Which module you want next in your next module. So based on that, they will design it, and there's highly likely we're going to start ethics and spreadsheet. Then synoptic is the revision. That's it. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining. And stay blessed, stay safe, keep working hard. I'll see you next week. Till then, goodbye and stay blessed.